So you are known for April Fool's pranks, pulling jokes on people.
I believe when Justin Moore came to town, because he doesn't like Halloween, we had parents tell their kids they ate all their Halloween candy.
But this may top them all.
Depends on who you ask.
Well, the kids and their Halloween candy.
Or the people who got woken up to win Brantley Gilbert tickets at the Lakeview Amphitheater. It's called the Devil Don't Sleep Tour after all, so be a little devilish and not let anyone sleep.
Well, what was our quote? It was, win tickets to see the devil himself, Brantley Gilbert.
I'm about to wake this kid up with a chainsaw.
Paige, I got a finger pointer pointing at your cheek, and I'm videotaping you. You're already on the candles? Daddy.
Hi. Are you playing? Say good morning.
And apparently, some wake up nicer than others.